Hi, today we're going to talk about your seals on your Luxe and also some roof maintenance. Your roof needs to be checked, especially if you're in temperatures 80 or above every 90 days, to get up and look for cracks and voids in the seals. Same thing with the sidewalls. When you're talking about cap molding, all your molding around the sides, look for gaps in the seal. Everything pretty much on the painted surfaces is all clear silicone. On the roof, it will be alpha or dicor. If you're close to the edge, a chance of it running off, you want to use a non-sag. If you're just on a flat surface, you can use the self-level. Other than that, clearance lights is another thing to check. Again, once the seal over time will dry up a little bit, and once it dries up, it'll start getting little cracks and voids in it. You don't necessarily have to scrape it off, clean it, just go right over the top of it. Just enough to seal it. You don't need to have like a 1/4 inch bead or nothing like that on when we're talking about on the painted surfaces. On the roof, you use a little bit more, especially with the self-level. I usually tell the customers or the techs to use a 1/4 inch because it'll level out. And if you're going on the edges where it can come off the side, you want to stay a lot closer to that. Now also on here with the radius that we have at the top that's painted, that would be silicone up on the sides as well. The only thing that would be dicor or alpha would be touching the TPO that's on the roof itself. That's all I got.